The beauty of my country, Zambia, is that we have a variety of foods. The basket is so big, but it depends with the food that you want to take. The food which is defined by Zambians, and every Zambians is defined by that food, is our staple food, which is called Nshima. Every rain season, every Zambian gets busy. Why? Because they want to plant maize crops. They want to plant so many varieties of food. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Timothy Hara, the masterpiece. I am a traveler from Zambia. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Timothy Hara. I'm a traveler. I do content, traveling content and African content. As long as I travel, I need to do something that is so unique. So I need to do something here. And this thing that I'm going to do here is to test the food which is here. You know, Zambia has got its own staple food, which is Nshima, and I want to test the Nshima which is here in Kitwe. So guys, please do me the favor, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed to the channel. Help me reach 3,000 subscribers by you subscribing to the channel. Please guys, do me this favor. Let me look for a place where I'm going to enjoy my meal. Wow, I don't know. Suggest guys what type of relish am I going to take, or what type of food am I going to eat. But Nshima is it's a must. I need to show you to say that this is the food that we eat here in Zambia. This is what we promote here in Zambia, and I'm promoting for you guys outside there. You are Zambians and you've stopped taking Nshima, you've stopped eating Nshima. Right now guys, we are going to feel and taste the food which is here. So guys, I've been trying to find a place where I can have some food. Now I failed to find it, and then until I asked somebody to say where can I have food. So I'm heading to the same place, and I want to test the food which is here. They can pass you here. I'm busy on my phone. Wow, doing something else. Okay, let's try. Can you imagine? I haven't even started eating, but I'm sweating. Wow, what a beautiful experience. So here we are going to have a meal, and the meal that we are going to have T-bone with some vegetables and Nshima. So like I told you to say, Nshima is our staple food here in Zambia. So this is the food that we are going to taste. And make sure guys, you like the video. I'm in Kitwe. This is where I'm doing my vlogs here in Kitwe, and I'll be leaving very soon, and I'll be going somewhere. But before I go somewhere, before I visit another city, I need to taste the food which is here in Kitwe. I've tasted food in Wansha, I've tasted food in Bongwe, I've tasted food in so many different places. So right now I need to taste the is here. So, guys, let's see what they have for me, and we are going to enjoy. This is the food. Guys, this is what we are going to have right now. Very hot. T-bone with, what's this? Bone way. Nshima, hot Nshima. Wow. If you are a Zambian, you cannot get away with Nshima. Nshima is our blood. How many of you feels like they haven't eaten anything if they haven't eaten Nshima? When you visit a place, you eat the Nshima of that place, you get connected to that land there. And that's my belief. That's my belief. That's why you find that here in Zambia, whenever somebody calls you to say, please, can you come and eat with us? Then which means they want you to be connected with them and the land. A lot of people, whenever they visit a certain place, more especially here in Zambia, you are going to feel like they're going to see that you are new. Why? Because the way you're going to behave, the way you are going to be looked at, they're going to see that you are new. Now, for you being new, you need to be connected to those people and to the land. How do you feel? You taste a certain food and then you feel like you are crashing on a stone or you are crashing in some sands. This is what I was feeling. I failed to eat the other relish, which is pumpkin leaves and mixed with ubondwe. So I was telling this woman to say, next time you should do well with these pumpkin leaves, wash it so well. And the reason why these pumpkin leaves has got sand, you know where they are being planted, there is a lot of sand. So because of that sand, and we are in the rain season, whenever the rain rains, sands get into the same pumpkin leaves, and then at the end of the day, when you pluck them or you cook them, you're going to feel those sand unless you wash it so nicely and thoroughly. You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you once again. Thank you.
You're welcome, madam. At this point, here comes two ladies. They came into this shop, and then they were telling the lady who was selling to say, he's going to pay, he's going to pay. They were pointing some scones, and then I was like, can you pick or get those scones that you want? and there were two. I had to buy two of those, two scones, and they were going at 15 kwacha each, less than $1. So that's how they got, and they started appreciating. At first they were outside, they were just watching at me, looking at me without saying any single word. They come, they go, they come, they go, and at last they had to say it, and I felt it, like, let me just do this for them. And I was so happy. I'm that kind of a person whereby I feel good when I meet some people. We are trying to interact, no matter wherever I go. And each and every time I need to meet one person or two people who are like this. And I don't know, but sometimes I feel ashamed. You go to a certain place and then they want something and you don't have money in your pocket. So, anyway. It's life. That's why, guys, I always tell you to say, please support this channel, like this video. Let this video being watched by everybody. If you want to support me in anything, maybe transport for me to visit a certain place, so that you want to see that place, the number is on the screen. Isso. Umuntu ngai kutya chitefili fyonse. When a person is full, he can do whatsoever that he wants. Guys, I'm really full right now. What a wonderful experience, what a wonderful reception by that woman. I've received a good reception at that restaurant. Though it is small, but the reception, it was so amazing. Even the food was so nice. Though pumpkin leaves had some, how do they call it? Some sun. I don't know how do you say it, but it felt like there is some big sun. Though I really enjoyed it. So guys, I'm still in Kitwe. I'm still in, you can see, this is Kitwe once again.
Nikuisa vesti okenda tamanda.
Village na imwe.
Hapo na baba. Kule kwa kila kitu.
In my previous video, I was saying that Kitwe is one of the busiest area or town center here in the Copper Belt, and which is correct, which is so correct, because you see, this town, it's more like everything is busy. The cars, they're busy, the people, they're busy, everyone is minding his own or her business. So I've come to learn that Ndola is just beautiful town center, but Ndola is not just busy like Kitwe. The people here in Kitwe, they are so busy, guys. Wow. And I love to be in these kinds of places because they give me that vibe, or they give me that energy to say I am a Zambian. Just like I was eating the food that is let me say, just like I was eating the food that is known for the Zambian people, which is Nshima, and it was so amazing to feel and eat the amazing Nshima with T-bone. So guys, I hope you are subscribing to the channel. I hope you are liking the videos. I hope you are commenting in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section, guys. If you want to see more of these kinds of content, please kindly comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. Timothy Hara is one of the best traveler here in Zambia. So, and I'm going to show you places. I'm going to show you the things that you don't know here in Kitwe, Ndola, Zambia, Lusaka, Livingstone, Mungu, Chama, and so many places. So I'm on a mission to show you the things that you don't know. So guys, thank you so much. Stay glued to the channel.